Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about RK method. So the question is compute y of 2.5 for the equation dy by dx is equals to x plus y by x, that is y of 2 is equals to 2 by using RK method. So they had given y value at 2 is 2. We need to find y value at 2.5 by using RK method. So solution, given that dy by dx is equals to x plus y by x, and y of 2 is equals to 2. So we need to compare this with the general form of the equation of ordinary differential equations. So dy by dx is equals to y dash is equals to f of x comma y of x0 is equals to y0. To understand this, you watch my previous video. In that I had given introduction and about all these methods. So if you watch that, you can understand this problem very easily. So here dy by dx is equals to y dash is equals to f of x comma y, and y of x0 is equals to y0. We need to compare these two. Here in place of f of x comma y, we are having x plus y by x. F of x comma y is equal to x plus y by x. And here x0 is 2. That means here x0, here 2, x0 is 2, and y0. In place of y0 we are having 2. So y0 is equal to 2. Here they didn't mention any step size. So that means no restriction. So in previous video I had explained about step size with restriction, no step size, without restriction. So find y of 2.5, that is y value at 2.5. x1 is equals to 2.5. Here they didn't mention step size. So directly the value which given in question will become the x1. If they mentioned any step size, here x1 won't become this 2.5. The x1 will become h plus x0. h plus x0. h means the step size and x0 means the previous value 2. h plus x0 will become x1. For this with no step size, so x1 value is 2.5. Here we need to find y1. And so they didn't give an step size, right? We need to find step size. We need step size value in y1 formula. That wise we have to find this step size. So step size formula is x1 minus x0. 2.5 minus 2, 0.5. And we need to find y1 by using RK method. This is the formula of y1. y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So we already know y0 value, but we don't know k1, k2, k3, k4. y0 is initial value of y. y0 is equals to 2. So we need to find k1. k1 formula is h into f of x0 comma y0. h means 0.5, f x0 means 2, y0 means 2. So from the table x0 is 2, y0 is 2. We have mentioned f of 2 comma 2. So this is in the form of f of x comma y. F of x comma y. So f of x comma y is equals to x plus y by x. So f of 2 comma 2 will become x plus y by x, means in place of x we are having 2 plus in place of y we are having 2 divided by x. Denominator x will be 2 is equals to 2. And we have to substitute this in here. So 0.5 into f of 2 comma 2 is 2. 0.5 into 2 is equals to 1. This is k1. And k2, h into f of x0 plus 1 by 2h comma y0 plus 1 by 2 k1. So h is 0.5, f x0 2, 1 by 2 into h means 0.5, y0 value is 2 plus 1 by 2, k1 means 1. So we need to solve this. So 0.5 f of 2.25 comma 2.50. So in some questions they will mention the decimal values. So up to 3 decimals, up to 4 decimals. So we have to fix the decimal values in Calc and we have to do this. So in this question they didn't mention any decimal value. So we can take up to 3 or 4 or like that. So here this is in the form of f of x comma y. f of x comma y is x plus y by x. F of 2.25 comma 2.50. This is in the form of x comma y. So x comma y formula is x plus y by x. So from here f of 2.25 comma 2.50 is equals to 2.25 plus 2.50 by 2.25. So that equals to 2.111. So we need to substitute this 2.111 here. So 0.5 into 2.111. K2 is equals to 1.055. And K3. H into f of x naught plus 1 by 2 h comma y naught plus 1 by 2 k into K2. So h is 0.5, f of x naught value 2 plus 1 by 2 into h 0.5 plus y naught means 2 plus 1 by 2 into K2. K2 is 1.055. 1.055. So 0.5 f of 2.250 comma 2.527. This is in the form of x comma y. So f of x comma y is equal to x plus y by x. So f of 2.250 comma 2.527 is equals to 2.250 plus 2.527 by 2.250 is equals to 2.123. The value is 2.123. We need to substitute 2.123 in place of here. So K3 is equals to 0.5 into 2.123 is equals to K3. 1.061. We need to find K4 in the same manner. So h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus K3. We need to substitute the h naught, h, y naught, K3 and we have to solve. In this way K4 is 1.112. We need to substitute all K1, K2, K3, K4 values in equation 1. So by substituting all values in this equation, we get y1 is equals to 3.0573. So the y1 value is 3.057. Here we have to write 3.057 is the y1 value. So this is the solvation of RK method using that means RK method with no step size. In next video I will say RK method with step size. And here y1, when you want to find y1, the formula is in this way. If you want to find y2, here we'll get y1. For y2, here you get y1. For if you want to find y3, in place of y0, you get y2. So there will be different formula for y1, y2, y3, y4. Those are easy. So next video I will mention those all formulas.